Yeah, I'm talking about you. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Last week we were kind of busy with our little Lampy Camper photo booth. Had a fun time and got to walk around the zoo. And then it snowed unexpectedly. So we were kind of stalled on working on anything for a few days there. But we're going to get back inside and I'm going to give it a vacuum, and then we're going to see if we can't get some work done on our flooring so that I can come back and start putting in some trim in the back part and work my way around to the front. You know, we kind of thought about waiting until after we'd painted to do the floor, because you know, you worry about getting stuff on your floor, but I kind of need the trim on before I paint, and it would help to have the floor on before I did the trim, and then the doors, and it's sort of, it's tricky to figure out what order to do these things in, but yeah, we're gonna go with it. So anyway, let's check it out. It's kind of amazing what just sweeping does. I mean, it really makes it feel a lot nicer in here. Anyway, so we've decided to go with this Smart Core kind of vinyl flooring that they have at Lowe's. It's pretty cheap, $2.50 a square foot, something like that. But we're going with kind of a lighter color. I think it'll look nice and keep it, kind of open feeling in here. But we'll see. We kind of just said, I don't know, let's try a lighter flooring in this one, and so we're going to go with it, and if it turns out we don't like it, we'll pull it up and replace it. But it's got this sort of backing already on it, so you don't have to put anything else down below it. So they say you don't have to glue it down. We'll see how that works in a camper. It might be less successful than we're hoping, but we're going to put it down this way, which means we'll have a bunch of kind of short pieces because of this little footwell that we have, and especially a bunch of short pieces right up there by the front cabinet. And then we'll have some sort of edge covering. Haven't really decided what that's going to be yet, but we'll figure it out when we get there. Yeah, here in the middle they'll be going this way as well. I know it would be less cutting if I went this direction, but it just feels weird to me. I think going this way will make it feel longer. A line tends to lengthen, the longer the line is. So, yeah. I think I can just cut these with my chop saw. I think that'll be easiest. I don't think these are designed to be, like scored and cracked with a knife. So, this dog. So yeah, I'm going to use my chop saw. I'm going to cut them to length. You're supposed to leave a 1/4 inch around your edges to account for any kind of expansion. So we'll do that, and then that edge will be covered with, I think 1/4 round, I think is what I'm going to use. But, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. First step, get the floor down. Okay, so gonna need to go get some more tile, but I do have enough to do this front. Dang, that's bright. So I do have enough though to do this front little piece right here. But what I need is there's a little lip that goes all the way across here that I need to add, and then that gives me a good gauge for putting a little 1/4-inch spacer there like they recommend, and you know, getting those all sized up right. Fortunately, I have a lot of scrap pieces from the other ones that I might be able to get all the way across here with just scrap. So I'm going to try that and see where that ends us up. And then I'm probably going to go get some more tile. Tile, plank, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, let's get to it. What you got there? Pop-tart? Is it a Pop-Tart? So we got some more flooring so I can finish this up. We also got this handy little tool which lets you set the last row. You kind of hook it over there where you otherwise wouldn't be able to, you know, tap it in, and you just, and that sort of cinches everything up. So I'm not super confident that this is going to work, but I'm going to use some construction adhesive. And now that I've cut these side panels to size, I'm going to glue them to the side. So I made it to the hardware store, and this is the stuff that I'm going to use to cover this little gap with. It's just, oh, what do they actually call it? Stair edging. So it's designed to be on the edge of things like this. Just cut it to size and tack it into place. Alright, so there you have it. We have some flooring in here, and I'm really pretty happy with how it looks. We'll see how it holds up long term. You know, we wanted to go this kind of lighter look because we wanted to kind of feel a little more open in here. It's such a small space. But yeah, you know, in our other campers we went with a dark flooring, and we wanted to try something different. And I think once we have some paint on the walls and it's all nice and finished up here, I think it's going to feel like a much larger space than it actually is. But it's so nice to not be looking at just plywood and have something in here with a real finished look to it. It feels good. It feels like this was a good week, even though this was kind of a small project. I'm really hopeful that it holds up because I really like this. So I'm excited to trim this out, get my faces on my drawers back there, and tie the back end up for now. Anyway, new videos come out every Sunday. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.